Autodesk Inventor 2019 features significant performance improvements in parts, assemblies, and drawings. In the assembly environment, you'll see immediate gains as you zoom, pan, and rotate your model. And there are times when it's helpful to edit your subassemblies in place at the main level. You'll notice considerable time savings as you enter and exit the edit mode. Section views can also come in handy when working on internal portions of your design. Performing a section view on a large assembly in the past may have seemed like a daunting task. This is not a problem in the Inventor 2019 release. Drag the arrow to position the section and see the results instantaneously. There are several other noteworthy improvements for area selection and selecting component patterns. Rebuild all and switching between positional representations and level of detail. That's just a few of the many enhancements you'll see in assemblies. Now let's take a look at drawings. Creating base and projected views is faster than ever. Navigate view orientation using the view cube and preview changes on the fly. Once the views have been placed, it takes less time to compute them, allowing you to quickly get started on the rest of the drawing. We all know that design and engineering is about change. Modifications to your assembly reflect in the drawing in less time. All the performance enhancements in the Inventor 2019 release have been made so you can get more done in less time.